Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up on Paramount Plus. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Paramount Plus app on your phone, and then right afterwards you're gonna tap on this option of sign up for Paramount Plus. So currently this is not available in my region, so it's showing this kind of interface. Otherwise, I'm simply gonna have to provide my email address. Then once I have provided my email address, I'm gonna provide the information regarding my personal information like name and etc. Then I have to simply create myself a new password for me to secure my account. Once I have created my password, added my email, verified myself, I will be able to create an account to browse through on Paramount Plus to stream some of the shows that I would like, and I can continuously use it. And afterwards, I can simply sign in by tapping on this and add in the email and the password that I have created while signing up, and tap on continue, and I will be able to use it however I like. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.